So now we're just going to color the whipped cream. So I have bowl of the stabilized whipped cream, and if it's been whipped up and kept there like for some time, so it could just turn dry a bit, at least on the outside. So because it is a stabilized cream, you could just go in and then fold a few times and then just make it soft again. So I have a blue gel color, that is what I'm just going to use to frost my whipped cream cake. I'm just going to just take half of what I have and then soften this, and even after adding the color it's just going to get soft anyway. So what I'm going to use is a royal blue gel food coloring. Okay, so I'm just going to add like quite a bit of drops. I can't even say there are few drops, but then you would just need that much. So because it's the stabilized cream, I can just go in and then fold until I have the color mixed up evenly. I'm just going to keep mixing until I see no streaks of the white whipped cream. So you can just keep cutting and folding. So you can see the stiffness is just being retained. You don't have the fear of it just loosening up, because just using the spatula to mix up the colors. Now for all that drops, you see what's the shade that we have. Then imagine if we have to kind of get to the darkest shade of how much food coloring we would be using up. Just going to break down all the white specks of the whipping cream. So this is just a beautiful light blue color, but you know how many drops of the gel colors that we've added in here. Then but we have this beautiful blue color, using which I'm just going to go on and frost my cake. So catch you up on that lesson. And now say if you have to be coloring up different shades of the whipping cream, say suppose you want to make it a darker shade, obviously you need to be adding in more colors. We are going to anyway do ombre shade at the end to finish. So I'm also going to show you how it is going to be by adding a lot of colors, because we want darker shades again. So if you're going to make red, obviously excess colors will have to be added into the cream. Now using this, I will catch you up in the next lesson, where I'm going to show you how to use this whipped cream and then make sharp edges on the whipped cream cake.